Welcome to Mixed Videos Online 2023.
Subscribe now.
Ružínsky Railway Bridge. A rundown reservoir was constructed between 1963 and 1970 on the River Hornat southeast of the hamlet of Majkana in eastern Slovakia. Is a system of two hydraulic constructions called Run I and Run II that serves as a source of water for both thermal power generation and industry. The flooded area of the reservoir is 3.9 square kilometers, and it has a storage volume of 45.3 million cubic meters. The dam measures 14 kilometers in length. In kilometer 125,541, the railroad viaduct ruin N-degree 2601 over the reservoir. The railway viaduct was created between 1952 and 1955 after being designed in 1952. On June the 21st and 22nd, 1955, the Czechoslovak Ministry of Transport conducted the loading test. It is the tallest railway bridge in Slovakia, rising 40 meters above sea level. On the line 180 between Alina and Kois of the Slovak Railways, it is the longest bridge. It has two electric lanes. The bridge's lower deck is made up of 4 spans, each measuring 69.0 meters in length, for a total length of 280.0 meters. It is constructed as a steel riveted truss bridge. The bottom and top chords are 5,750 mm long, while verticals are the same length, 7,400 mm. The super elevation of the beam ranges from 0 to 62 mm. The major truss beams have an inadvertent vertical system that is obliquely inclined. Transversal beams are supported by main beams by being incorporated into their top chords. The steel framework weighs 2,800 tons in total. The andesite lined masonry stone covering covers the concrete supports and pillars. The bridge underwent its most recent thorough examination in December 2020. The major truss beams have an inadvertent vertical system that is obliquely inclined. Transversal beams are supported by main beams by being incorporated into their top chords. The steel framework weighs 2,800 t in total. The andesite-lined masonry stone covering covers the concrete supports and pillars. Elements of the truss beam are riveted. The simple support of 4 beams has 410 mm between each single span. A bench for examination is located on the lower chord of the beam, allowing for safe movement inside the building. Normal wear is visible on the steel construction. When steel corrosion occurs, anti-corrosion protection deteriorates on horizontal surfaces and in exposed portions of the structure, connection stringers, crossbeams, main girders, joints plates. The wall plates that connect the longitudinal component to the transversal beam have more serious failures, including cracks and corrosion-induced weakness. Ribs and screws may occasionally go loose. Rare fatigue cracks are visible on the upper flanges of the stringers that support the bridge decks. Even with surface rust, bearings still work. Local dimensional variations in the facing stone are not joined together. The bridge's current condition is rated as Grade 3, satisfactory for the supporting structure and clearance gauge, and as too good for the bridge foundations and sleepers by the SRTS 5 regulation. Please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.